Hi, you're very much welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Please, if you are new to my channel, kindly show me some love, show us some love, show Graceland world some love. Alright, click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Okay, on our menu today, we'll be making a Graceland buttered mug bread, the kind you've never tasted before. And I must warn you, this is not a journey of 1 mile. You'll need approximately 3 hours, at least from 2 to 3 hours for these procedures. Okay, our bread, once you make this, you will love it. I would like to get a feedback from you. Okay, I hope you've gotten your pan ready. By now you should know how to prepare your pan. You oil your bread pan. You can use butter, you can use vegetable oil. You can decide to flour it after oiling it, but I didn't flour mine. In fact, I used butter to rub the inner part of the pan. Okay, just to get my bread fresh looking at the end. Alright guys, if you're ready, I'm ready. You'll be needing a scale. You must have a kitchen scale. You need a clean, nice white bowl that is dried. And of course, you need to sieve your flour. You need 500 grams sifted flour or flour, anyhow you prefer to call it. And we need 90 grams of granulated sugar, half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons powdered milk, and 38 grams of milk flavor, and of course our yeast that is being proved, salt, butter, melted butter, and of course egg. You can't do without egg. This is how we prove our yeast. Dissolve your yeast, add in 1 tablespoon of sugar, stir it very well to combine, and set it aside. You're good to go. Okay, so into the bowl of sifted flour, you're adding your salt, you add in your remaining sugar, you stir to combine. Don't forget that 1 tablespoon sugar we mix with the yeast is from the 90 grams of sugar that was already weighed and set aside. Alright guys, so you sieve in your milk flavor. Yeah, you need to sieve it so that it will not turn out crumbly. Okay, you need to sieve your milk flavor and you need to stir it once more. Okay, stir your flour. I said stir your flour. Alright, stir to combine. You mix your egg, mix it till it's foamy. Okay, you create a hole in the center of the dried ingredient and you start pouring in all of your wet ingredient into the center of the flour. That's our milk that was dissolved with 125 grams of warm water, and that's our yeast. Okay, pour in everything with that's our vinegar. It goes in here. Okay, everything weight goes in there, and you're gonna use your clean palm to work your dough. Mix it very well with your palm. I said mix it, don't get tired. Yeah, I told us we need more than 2 hours for this project. So you're gonna mix it. If it's too sticky, you sprinkle some more flour through the sifter, please. Yeah, that's what we do, just to get your hand flowing with the mixing. Okay, but if you have a mixer, much better. With a mixer you don't need extra flour, but if you don't have a mixer, you need to pour in extra flour so it will not be sticky. See this? You're gonna knead it on a clean surface for 10 minutes with my lips. 10 good minutes is what you need. You must knead, with the palm. You must knead your dough. Avoiding being sticky to your palm. If it's sticky, apply some more flour through the sifter. Knead your dough. You must knead, don't pamper it. From time to time, you need to jag it up and hit it on the table. I said hit it, you need to hit it. This very dough deserves to be hit. All right? You beat it. You're not pampering it. You're not making chin-chin for Christ's sake. You need to beat the dough. Beat the hell out of the dough. All right? Yeah. As you can see, we are proceeding. There's progress in our work. Need it for good 10 minutes. You need 10 minutes. You need 10 minutes. Keep beating your dough. Okay? And once you're done, set the timer, wear a wristwatch. I don't care. All I need you to do is make sure you knead your dough for complete 10 minutes or more. And once it's done, you're gonna put it into an oiled bowl. I oil my bowl with butter. You can use vegetable oil to do yours. Just simply oil the bowl. Carry the broth put inside the oil bowl and just cover it. Cover your bowl. Set it in a warm place for about 1 hour or more. Please, it must be up to 1 hour. Okay? You can use a cling film. You can use aluminum foil. You can use nylon, whatever is available. Just cover your bowl and light it in a warm environment for 1 hour or more. At the end of 1 hour, let's take a look at our broth. As you can see, it sure looks good. Wow, wonderful job. Be gentle with it. Don't overbeat it. Well done. Yeah, we deserve an accolade to overbeat your dough anymore. Just punch it gently and turn it to the wax surface. Okay, you can decide to use your hands to shape it. You can use a rolling pin to roll it to whatever shape of your choice. I made a 1-pan bread, so there was no need of dividing the dough. But if you want to make it like a dinner roll, you can divide this into 6, into 4, anyhow you want it. So just go ahead. It's a choice. So for me, I made just a 1 rectangular shape pan bread. So I just shape it in the shape of the pan. Okay, so that's me rolling mine with a rolling pin. And then after rolling your dough, you're gonna have to use your palm. Okay, that's when you need your both palm. You need your both palm for this. So you're gonna squeeze it. You can fold it as if you're folding a mat. Have you rolled a mat before? Yeah, you need the skill here. You're gonna roll this dough, fold it as if you're folding a mat. Fold it very tight. I mean tight. Fold it very tight. And then in the shape that you desired, you put it into your already prepared pan. It doesn't end here. Don't you dare think you're gonna flap it straight into the oven. Nah. At that point, you cover your pan. In fact, add extra towel on top because you need it to be feeling the warmth of the environment. Cover it. That's me poking hole bubbles. That's air bubbles. If your dough has air bubbles, just use a toothpick, use a skewer stick, Okay, whatever stick of your choice, pop out the nonsense, okay? But don't overdo it. Then you cover your pan. Allow it in a warm place for more 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes, and then you fling it straight into the oven, an already heated oven, okay? Using 180 degrees centigrade, you bake your bread for 45 to 50 minutes. Once it's out of the oven, take a look. Mine got burnt a little because the timing was more than 50 minutes. Okay, so you oil it, you butter it with a brush, your pen, however you choose. But be careful because it's very hot. See the way it's melting the butter on its own, it's very hot. So once you're done with this, cover it, take it back to the oven that is off, just with the warmness of the oven, and bring it out again. Hola! Your Graceland buttered mug bread is ready. You need to taste this. There's goodness in baking. It was a wonderful experience, I must tell you. This bread is second to none. It is number one and has no second. Okay? Yeah. It cannot take a second place. It's number one. Yeah. Quality speaks for itself. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end.